Hi, welcome to the Letizian channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is Tapering ring. Well, this is the dimension for this part, and then let's make a model part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's start from front plane and make it normal too. Then go to the sketch, click to the circle. For the first one, I want to make two circles, and then click smart dimension. For this smaller one, give the diameter value to 25 mm, and then OK. For the next step, click to this bigger circle, and then I want to make for 38 mm for the diameter. OK. Next, from the sketch, click to this toggle and click to center rectangle. Start from this point. Click smart dimension. Set for 62 mm for this distance. OK. Apply. Press and hold the control button, then click to this this line, and then make it equal. Next, zoom out, click to this line. Let's make a foreground section. Start from this point. Just make a horizontal, right click, then click select, click to the circle, and then click smart dimension. Change for diameter value to 32 mm. OK. Give a 50 mm for this distance. OK. Next step, click to the circle, and then click to this line. Click a smart dimension, and then I want to set for diameter value, and it is 100 mm. OK. Next, let's connect from this point to the other. There are the information, then click OK. Next, connect. Let's remove the unnecessary line by click trim entities. Make sure time to close is selected. Then OK. Go to feather, and then let's give the thickness by click extrude boss. Set a value 48 mm, and then change for direction 1 to mid plane. Let's make for this box, and then OK. For the next step, click to this toggle and sketch. From this extrude boss, set to 66 mm. From this dialog box, and change for the mid plane. Click to the sketch and OK. Click to this toggle, sketch, and then make the same way, extrude boss. Set a value to 80 mm, and then click, but change for this mid plane. Click to the sketch, and then OK. Next step, click to this surface, make it a normal too, and then right click, sketch, click to this line, and let's click for construction, then just make it horizontal. It's round for this length. Select line, start from this point until to this point, right click, click select, click customer dimension, and then let's transfer this line to this sides, and it is 20mm. Okay, then 10mm. Okay, next click to this line and make it 12mm. Okay, next go to this mirror entities, mirror butt, and then select to this line, entities to mirror, just click to this toggle and click sketch. I'm sorry, from this mirror entities, mirror butt, this line, entities to mirror, select to this line, and then okay, line, just make it a line, then click a feeder, go to the extrude cut, change the view, Ctrl 7, I'm sorry, click to the sketch, see the preview, Ctrl 7, just drag the row, and then okay. Well, if you want to make a finishing by change the color, click to this edit appearance, for the first one I want to make it to this color, okay, and then I want to change for this several surface color, right click from this part and click to this icon, select faces. For the example, I want to click to this color and then select for the area, then apply. Ctrl 7 to change to isometric view. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find a similar video, you can check my playlist. And for the last, see you on my next video.